Yeah, hi. Where do you want to go?
Yes, I want to go to home.
To home?
Yes, to home. Come
What's
on.
wrong? We can't say that. I want to go home is the correct sentence. I want to go to home. No. Many students, they are making grammatical mistakes without realizing that grammar will never accept or tolerate such type of mistakes. In this video, I'm going to explain some common and very simple mistakes in detail. So follow me. Common grammatical mistakes. Very common, normal mistakes. But the people, when they speak or when they write, they don't even realize that they are mistakes. Today, I'm explaining one by one. So the first one is, he cooks good. He cooks good. If you see, where is the mistake? There is something wrong. But where? We have to find out. Right. Where is the mistake? That's great. Here. The mistake is in good. Good is adjective. And you can't use after action verb adjective like good. He cooks good. No. How does he cook? He cooks well. How does he cook? He cooks well. So note this point that after action verb, we can't use adjective. We have to use adverb. He cooks well is the correct answer. Next one. I am agree with you. If you see, the sentence looks good. It's correct, right? But no, there is grammatical mistake. I am agree with you. Where's the mistake? Let's see. I am agree with you. So the problem is with the helping verb am. The verb like agree will not accept helping verb like am. So we can't use I am agree with you. So instead of that, we have to say I agree with you. And the correct sentence is I agree with you. So if you see in a normal conversation, daily use talking conversation, we use I'm agree with you without realizing that grammatically it is not correct. I need to go to home. If you see the sentence, it looks correct. There is no mistake. I need to go to home. But no, there is grammatical mistake. And where is the mistake? I need to go to home. So to home, grammatically, it is not correct. Because with home, we cannot use to. The correct sentence is, I need to go home. To gives you direction, no doubt. But with home, we can't use to. So the correct sentence is, I need to go home. It's clear. Next one. The childs are playing in the yard. The childs are playing in the yard. Where is the mistake? Think about it. Okay, I can help you. The childs are playing in the yard. So the mistake is in the word childs. And why? Because child is singular. And what is the plural? The children are playing in the yard. Child plural is not childs. Child plural is children. But if you see in a normal writing or speaking and you say childs are playing, no. Grammatically, it is incorrect. The correct sentence is the children are playing in the yard. Let's see the next one. I'm good in math. It's a subject. Mathematics, math. I'm good in math. Right. So, where is the mistake? Grammatical mistake. I'm good in math. So the problem is preposition in. The problem is in the preposition in. We can't say I'm good in math. No. So what is the correct answer? I'm good at math. You're talking about the subject, right? So the correct sentence grammatically is I'm good at math. Next. They are going to cinema. They are going to the cinema. They are going to the cinema. The sentence looks correct, I guess. Is there any spelling mistake or grammatical mistake? Or we use there instead of another there? Let's see. Oh, there. The problem is in there. You have to focus because English grammatical mistakes are not acceptable in writing or in speaking. No doubt, if it's street language or informal conversation, no matter if you skip the rule sometime, but not all the time, right? So here I'm explaining about formal English structure, formal English language, that such type of mistakes are not acceptable. So the correct answer, they are going to the cinema. This there we use for possession. This is their class. This is their home. This there we use for possession. This they are. This is subject, pronoun that stands for a group of people or friends. They are going to the cinema. Clear? Next. They are waiting me. They are waiting me. I think it's hard to find out the mistake here. They are waiting me. But grammatically, they are waiting me. There is something wrong in the object of the sentence. Because the word waiting me, we can't use without they are waiting for me. You have to put for before object me. Clear? Next. I lost the bus. I lost the bus. I think it looks good. I lost the bus means that I was the owner of the bus and I lost it. Right? No, we can't use it because the meaning will go so far. It doesn't mean what you want to say. Actually, you want to say that the problem is in the lost. Actually, you want to convey this message to the people that I missed the bus. Yeah, I was not able to reach on time and I missed the bus. That's why I came to my office very late. So the appropriate word is missed, not lost. Thanks God. Thanks God. It looks okay. Thanks God. We are using thanks God, thank God, thank you, thanks. But do you know the exact use in English grammar where we use thanks, where we use thank? So what's wrong here? Thanks God. So the problem is in S. Thanks God. The correct answer, thank God. Why? Thank is verb. Thank God. Okay? You thank God. Thank is verb. But thanks is noun. You can't say thanks God. If you want to use noun, you have to say thanks to God. It will be correct, no matter. But you can't use thanks God. No. The correct answer is thank God. And the reason is thanks is noun and thank is verb. So if you want to connect noun, you have to use to. Thanks to God. She don't like chocolate. Okay, she don't like chocolate. Normally we say that, right? She don't like chocolate. Grammatically, something is wrong? Yes, there is. What is that? Oh, she don't. So the problem is with don't. She don't like. So what should we say? We can make it correct. We can replace don't with she doesn't like chocolate. Why? Because she is singular. He, she, it, singular name, singular noun. In present simple tense, you have to put S or ES with the main verb, whether you want to make it question or negative. For example, you see, she doesn't like chocolate. So if you remove doesn't, it will be she likes chocolate. S is there, right? So according to present simple rules, it is she doesn't like chocolate, the correct one. I need one advice. One advice? Let's see. I need one advice. Okay, there is something wrong, I guess. Yes. I need one advice. So we have to remove one. Right. If we remove one, what we can put it? What we can replace it? We can replace one by some. And why is that? One advice is wrong. Why? One advice. Advice is uncountable. We cannot say one advice, two advice, three advice. No. Advice is uncountable, so we can't use one. If you want to use quantifier, you can say, I need some advice. No problem. But one advice is grammatically incorrect because advice is uncountable. Clear? What is the different? What is the different? There is something wrong. Grammatically, yes. What is that? Different. What is the different? Different is wrong. Why? Because different is adjective. We need what? We need noun. We don't want adjective. The correct answer is, what is the difference? What is the difference between these two? So we talk about difference, not different. Different is adjective, and grammatically it is incorrect. I met Ahmad 3 months before. I met Ahmad 3 months before. It is past simple tense, and he says, I met Ahmad 3 months before. Grammatically, it looks quite good, but it's not. Why? There is something that is not matching with the structure. I met Ahmad 3 months before. So before is not the appropriate word for put 3 months. No. Because the time is known now. We have to say, I met Ahmad 3 months ago. And now I will explain. Ago we use for the time known, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. And before we use without specific time. Yeah, I already met him before. What time? We don't know. Do you know Ahmed? Yes, I met him before. What time? I don't know. And we don't know. And we don't care. So you can put before. But the appropriate use of ago, if the time is specific and well known, like I met Ahmad 3 months ago. This is the correct use of the word ago. It's raining today. It's raining today. It's okay. In speaking, if you say it's raining today, it's quite clear. It's correct. But if you write it's raining today like that, no, it is not correct. Why? I told you it is not correct. There is something wrong. It is raining today. So this is it is raining today, the complete answer. And this one, it's raining, this it stands for possession. Its color. I like this car, but its color is very bad. Its color. So this stands for possession. And here it means it is raining today. And the correct answer is I have less books than you.
I have less books than you. How is that? Grammatically correct? No.
I have less books than you. So less is a word that we use with uncountable noun. And books are countable. So what is the exact word we should use here? I have fewer books than you. And why we use fewer, not few? Because comparison then. Because there is comparison. Then we have to use comparative degree of adjective, and that is fewer. There is many people at the event. There is many people at the event. Normally we talk, right? But do you realize that there is still grammatically something wrong? Yes, there is. And why is it wrong? Why? Because there is many people. Many people is plural. And there is we use for singular. So how can we make it correct? There are many people at the event. There are. Now it's matching because are we use for plural and people is plural. It's plural. So it's matching. There are many people at the event. The team are playing well. The team are playing well. Something doesn't look good. What is that? The team are playing well. Or will not match here. No. Why? Because team is collective noun. It shows group of players. Right. So, but it is one word. So we should say the team is playing well because it is collective noun and we use it as singular. But it is collective noun. So the verb with collective noun will be is, not are. I don't have much friends. I don't have much friends. It's okay, like, it looks okay. But grammatically, we are talking in this video about grammatical mistakes. Grammatically, the sentence is not correct. I don't have much friend. The problem or the mistake is here in much. So what is the correct answer? I have many friends. Why? I have to prove it. Why? Much we use with uncountable noun. Much sugar, much homework, much money. Not with friends, because friends are countable and we can count them in numbers. Clear? So the best and the correct answer is I don't have many friends.